Alright, you guys bear with me here. We got about a 15-mile-an-hour wind. First, we're here at the 3-yard line. We're going to do a draw and point, or not a draw and point, but a close combat draw, which would be waist high. And shoot from there. I'm going to get my ears put in. I don't want to go in the house and not be able to hear. But we're going to bring the weapon waist high and do a defensive response. This is in case somebody is on top of you and you're trying to get off of you. Alright, got my ears and eyes on. Okie dokie. Ready? Go. Ready? Go. Kept them all in quiet, it looks like. Let's move back to 7 yards here. Go back to 15. Sorry about the train in the background. Come on now. There we go. Nope. Alright. Here we're going to use our sights. We're 15 yards away. So we want to use our sights so we can see what we're hitting. Alright. Ready? Go. As you can see, she's empty. Go down and look at her.